Welcome students. In today's class, we are going to learn English subject. So take your all-in-one first semester textbook. Open lesson number 3rd, page number 27, deaf and mute. We are going to discuss deaf and mute lesson today. So let's start. Lesson number 3rd, deaf and mute. Last class, we learned new words and we read this lesson, deaf and mute. In today's class, we are going to discuss this lesson, deaf and mute. So, open page number 27 and listen very carefully. So, this is the story of a two beggar. One is a deaf and one is a blind, and they both of them are pretend that they are beggar and they are a physically disabled person. But the right case, they are not a physically disabled. They are pretending that they are physically disabled and they can't do any work and they are begging. So let's discuss what happened, whether they got the rupees or not. So first, there was a beggar. You can see here in the picture, there was a beggar and he had a tall body, and the beggar was tall. One day he took a piece of a cardboard, the beggar, and the beggar was a tall. Beggar was a tall, and what happened? One day he took a piece of a cardboard. He took a piece of a cardboard. Why he has taken piece of a cardboard? Something reason? Yes. So we'll discuss now. What is the reason why that beggar has taken a cardboard? He has taken cardboard, and what he did with that cardboard, he wrote on it means on that cardboard, deaf and mute, deaf and mute. And after that he has written deaf and mute. What he did, he hung, you can see here, he hung the cardboard on his chest. He hung nicely the cardboard on his chest. And then what he did, he sat down by the side of a road. Where he sat? He sat down by the side of a road. Might be you have seen most of the beggar, they are sitting, they are sitting just a side of the road and they are begging money from peoples. So in the same way, this beggar, which has a tall body and he has taken one cardboard and he has written on it deaf and mute, and where he sat just the side of a road. And after that what he did, he put his ball in front of him, and he has one ball and he kept that ball in front of him, and many people went up and down the road. As you know, wherever is the road, there rush are there, people were going, people were coming, so there were a rush and many people went up and down the road, and some of them took pity on the beggar. Yes, even if we have seen any beggar, we feel pity on them and we will give some money to beggars. In the same way, some of them, means some peoples, not all, some peoples feel pity on that beggar because he was a deaf and mute. So they feel pity on the beggar, and what they did, they threw coins into his ball, So they are threw some coins into his ball. Then next, what happened? Now we know. Now we discussed about the tall beggar. Now again, one more beggar is there, as I told you. So what about the next beggar? Look at here. This is the next beggar, and there was another beggar, and another beggar is this one, and he had a fat body. You can see here. First one is a tall body, and second one is a fat body. And he saw the tall beggar, and this beggar was observing everything whatever that tall beggar was doing. So when he saw the tall beggar, He saw his cardboard, and what he saw his cardboard also. And after that, what he did, when he was observed everything, he observed that tall beggar has taken one cardboard, he has written on it deaf and mute, and he hung that cardboard in his neck, and he sat beside of the road, and he kept one bowl in front of him. He observed everything, and in the same way, that fat beggar also has taken one cardboard. He ran back to his cottage. He took a piece of a cardboard. He wrote on it, I am blind. What he wrote? I am blind. It's a very funny thing that that fat beggar is not blind, but he has written on it, I am blind. Then what happened next? And this fat beggar, he started shouting. Why is shouting? He is shouting like this, I am a poor beggar. I am lame. I can't walk. I am blind. I can't see. Have pity on me. Please give me a coin. God will bless you. And he was pretending nicely that I am very poor beggar. I am lame. So I can't walk. I am blind. I can't see. The blind person can't see, no. So this fat beggar was telling that I am blind, I am lame, and I can't walk. Please, please, for God's sake, give me some coin. God will bless you. So he started shouting there. After that, a young man passed that way. A young man passed that way. He took out a 2 rupee coin. He wanted to give it to the tall beggar, and this young man wanted to give his coin to tall beggar. He wanted to give this coin to tall beggar. But what happened? The fat beggar shouted at once. But this fat beggar was shouted that please don't give it him, please don't give it him, he's not deaf, he's not mute, he's a cheat. And what this fat beggar was saying that please don't give 2 rupees coin to tall beggar because of he is a cheater, he is not deaf, he is not mute. And he took one cardboard, he explained everything to that young man. And I am a blind beggar, I am a poor, I am lame, I can't walk, please give me that coin to me. The next what happened? The tall beggar was very angry. Then this tall beggar also he was very angry. And what he said to that young man, sir, I am not a cheat. I am not a cheat. Now you know that this is a deaf and mute, no. So how he can speak now? But now we know that this fat beggar, this tall beggar also, he cheater. He was pretending that he was deaf and mute, he can't speak, he can't listen anything. But now we know that he was a cheater. And what he said that he was very angry. And what he said that no, 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 sir, I'm not a cheater. This fat beggar was a cheater, and he's not blind. He is not blind because now you only decide that if he was blind, how can he seen coin in your hand? Please give this coin to me. I am poor beggar and I am a deaf and mute. Now it's very funny that a deaf and mute, even the blind person can talk here. Blind person can see, deaf person can listen, and mute person can talk here. So it's a very funny thing that the most of the people in the society, they are pretending that they are physically disabled and they can't do their work, they can't earn money. So they will take nicely support from the people's, sympathy from the people's, and they are just they are taking coins, they are taking money from the people. So this is the one more lesson we learned, that we should not pity on those people who are pretending that they are physically disabled and they can't do work. Okay, so we will say to these kind of a person is a lazy and they don't want to do work, they don't want to earn money, they want simply and easy way to earn money. So they were doing like this kind of activity. So what happened next? Whether that young man has given coin to tall beggar or fat beggar, look at here. The young man laughed. Of course, it's a laugh. It's a laughing incident only. The young man laughed and he said, both of you are cheaters. Now we know that both of us are cheaters because they are not physically disabled. Yes, now we know that this both of them are cheaters. they are not physically disabled. So the young man started laughing and he said to both of them are, no, 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 you are both of you are cheaters. And he has not given the 2 rupees coins to both of them. He took that coin and put into his pocket and he went his way. So in this way, what we learned from this lesson, that we should not pity on those kind of a person who are pretending that they are physically disabled. They don't want to do work, they don't want to earn their money. So we should be very careful from this kind of a person. I hope you like this story, deaf and mute lesson, and you know that the deaf person means the person who can't listen, mute person means the person who can't speak, blind person means the person who can't see. Okay, so I hope you understood this, and you should pity on those kind of a person who are physically disabled. Really, they are physically disabled. You should help them. But those who are pretending, we should judge the people in their right behavior and right manner. We have to use our common sense when we are handling the peoples. So I hope you understood this. In this way, our deaf and mute lesson is completed here, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. In next class, we'll discuss the question answers related to this lesson. Thank you.